Good evening, students. Now see the topic nutrition and health. It is the 21st topic, unit 21. Nutrition means food and health. Introduction. Food is the basic necessary of all living organisms of life. It is a basic necessary of life. Food is defined as any substance that is origin from plant or animals. Food is any substance that is originated from plants or animals consumed to provide the nutritional support in organism is called as food. It is a 2-mark question. What is food is called as? Food is any substance that is originated from plants or animals consumed to provide the nutritional support of the organism is called as food. It contains essential nutrients, provide energy. It helps in normal growth and development and repair and worn out the tissues and protect the body from disease is called as food. Food is the basic necessity of all living organisms. It is the basic necessity of life. Food is defined as any substance that is produced from plant or animal origin that is consumed to provide nutritional support of the organism is called as food. It contains essential nutrients that provide energy, that helps the normal growth and development and repair one of the tissues or to protect the body from diseases. Food contamination with microorganisms is the major source of illness, either the form of infections or poisoning. Food contamination is with the microorganisms is the major source of illness, either form of infectious or poisoning. Infection means disease, poisoning is food poison. The contaminated food you should eat, you should be in the food poisoning or infections. Food safety become the major concern of these days. Food safety is a major concern these days. Adulteration அப்படினா கலப்படம் அப்படினு அர்த்தம். Adulteration என்ன கலப்படம். Adulteration of foodstuff is a common practice in India by traders. Traders na வியாபாரிகள். இந்த வியாபாரிகள் தான் adulteration should be food. Food is contaminated or adulterated from the protection of consumption of for financial gain. The adulteration gives the traders for financial gain. The physiological functions of consumer are affected due to the either addition or deleterious substance or removal of the vital component. Any unnecessary unwanted substance added with food is called as adulteration. That is deleterious substance or removal of the vital components. Food laws come to existence of main quality of food produced the country. Let us study about the terms of certain here. ஒரு சில terms நம்ம இதுல ஸ்டடி பண்ணுவோம். Classes of nutrients. Classes of nutrients. Our food contains majorly 5 substances. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Our food have 5 major substances, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the major part of our foods. First we can see the carbohydrate. Carbohydrated organic compounds that contains carbon, that is called as organic compounds. It is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. It is a major part. Carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The 3 groups are added by carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is an essential nutrient which provides the chief source of our energy to the body. Carbohydrate is the chief source of our body energy. Example of carbohydrates are glucose, sucrose, lactose, starch, cellulose of the examples of carbohydrates. Examples of carbohydrates: glucose, sucrose, lactose, starch, cellulose. These are the examples of carbohydrates. Next, carbohydrates are classified as monosaccharides, example glucose, disaccharides, example sucrose, polysaccharides, example cellulose. These are the examples of, they are classified into 3 groups: monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides. Mono means single, saccharides, that is made up of single sugar. Di means two sugars added by disaccharide. Poly means many, so many sugar added with polysaccharide, that is called as cellulose. The classification based on the number of sugar molecules present in each group. Once more reply. Class of nutrients. Our food contains 5 major products, that is called as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. First we can see the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are organic molecules. Organic molecule, it is made up of carbon. It is composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecules. It is composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Carbohydrate is essential nutrient which is provides the chief source of energy of the body. Carbohydrate gives the chief source of energy of our body. The main energy is come from carbohydrates. The example of carbohydrates: glucose, sucrose, lactose, starch and cellulose. These are the examples of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified based on the molecules of sugar. First, monosaccharides. Mono means single, saccharide means sugar. So it is made up of single sugar. It is example of monosaccharides is glucose. Next, disaccharides. Di means two, saccharide means sugar. So it is made up of two sugar molecules. That is called as disaccharide. Example, sucrose. Polysaccharides. Poly means many, saccharide means sugar. It is made up of many sugar molecules called as polysaccharides. Example is cellulose. The classification based on the number of sugar molecules present in each group. Next, proteins. Proteins are essential nutrients and also building blocks of our body. Our body is developed by proteins. Our body is developed by proteins. They are essential for growth and repair of body cells. They are essential for growth and repair of body cells. The body cells are repaired by proteins. And tissues. Proteins made up of amino acids. It is a most important one more question. Protein is made up of amino acids. There are different types of amino acids to combine to form a single protein. The amino acids has two types: essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. That essential amino acids cannot biosynthesized by our body. It must be obtained from the diet. Diet means food. The non-essential amino acids are produced in our body, but essential amino acids they cannot biosynthesized in our body. It must be obtained from the diet. Diet means food. It must be obtained from the food molecules. There are 9 essential amino acids present. That is called as phenylalanine, valine, threonine, tryptophan, methionine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, histidine. These are the 9 essential amino acids. Phenylalanine, that is called as phenylalanine. Valine, that is called as valine. Threonine, name is threonine. Tryptophan, that is called as tryptophan. Methionine. Leucine. Isoleucine, lysine, histidine. These are the name of essential amino acids. That is present in more and more, but we are studying 9 amino acids only. Once more reply. Proteins. Proteins are essential nutrients. They are building blocks of our body. It is one more question. Our body is built by proteins, that is building blocks of our body. They are essential for growth and repair mechanism of body cells and tissues. The body cells and tissues are repaired by our protein molecules. Proteins is made up of amino acids. Amino acids has two types, essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids, body can automatically produce non-essential amino acids. But essential amino acids, body cannot synthesize our body. They can be eat only with the diet, through diet. Essential amino acids, they cannot biosynthesize by our body. It must be obtained from our food materials like diet. There are 9 essential amino acids present. They are phenylalanine, valine, isothreonine, tryptophan, methionine, that is called as methionine, leucine, that is leucine, isoleucine, lysine, histidine, These are the examples of essential amino acids. Next, fat molecules. Fat diets provides energy. Fat means lipids. Fat means lipids. They provide more energy. They maintain the cell structures and involved in metabolic functions. Fat molecules are used to maintain the cell structures and metabolic functions. Fatty acids also two types, essential fatty acids, non-essential fatty acids. The non-essential fatty acids body automatically synthesizes, but essential amino acids cannot synthesize by our body. Essential fatty acids cannot synthesize the body, and they are provided through diet, food materials. Essential fatty acids requires human nutrition or omega fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are omega fatty acids types. Okay, once more reply. Fat molecule is otherwise called as lipids. Fat molecule is otherwise called as lipid molecules. Fat in the diets provides energy. Fat in the food materials, it provide energy. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, all food materials are to give energy, but fat materials are to give more energy. These fat or lipid materials are used to maintain the cell structures, or they are involved in the metabolic functions. Essential fatty acids are two types, essential fatty acids and non-essential fatty acids. Non-essential fatty acids body it can automatically synthesize it. Non-essential fatty acids are automatically synthesized in our body. Also non-essential amino acids and non-essential fatty acids synthesized by our body automatically. But essential fatty acids cannot synthesized by our body. Essential fatty acids cannot synthesized by our body, and they are provided through diet, food materials. The essential fatty acids required in human nutrition by omega fatty acids. The essential fatty acids required in human nutrition and are omega fatty acids. Once more reply. Fat molecules provide energy. The fat materials are used for the maintenance the cell structures and metabolic functions. The essential fatty acids cannot synthesize in our body. They are provided only through diet or food materials. The essential fatty acids required in human nutrition in the form of omega fatty acids. fatty acid, it is the essential fatty acids, omega fatty acids. Okay, thank you students. Let us meet next topic.